Got here salt and pepper. Let's take a look and see what it is. God, you guys make a lot of noise. All right, let's see what these are. Pop them open. Stop. What's this? If you have any product issues, return it. Woo, look at that. All right, I think these are going to work. You got to fill them with salt and pepper. Bam, done.
Are these old?
And I don't know what that is. It comes with it. I guess that's to pour the stuff in. That's some kind of a QR code. There they are. Also comes with some kind of a... Oh, look at that. You can get more stuff. All right. Now we just got to fill them up. Check this out.
There's a light
Expandable.
in there. To the left.
Look at that.
There's a light to the left in the closet.
Right there. Bam. Done. You just put it right in there. Fill her up. All right, so to get the salt and pepper in, you just unscrew it and fill it up. And then this, look, it comes right off. And then if you go like that, see, like it goes like this, and then this goes in here, and then you screw it on. So now we just got to fill it up. It's got different like amounts that will come out. Pour it out with that one. Turn it over here, you get less, more. So you get different like little things that you can use. That's the big one. This is the same thing. They're basically just the exact same thing, really. I think. See, like there's that's smaller. That's more. And that, you just pour it right out. So now we just got to put salt and pepper. Right, so this is going to go like this. And then we just fill it up. You see? This goes like this. See that? And you can put it away. And then when you're ready to put the stuff in, you just go like that. And fill her up. Yeah. Okay, let's go ahead and put some salt in here. I got this Morton salt. It's nice and salty. We're just going to pour it in there. It's actually pink, just like the the good salt that people like. I forget what they call it, Himalayan or something like that. I think I may have went a little bit too far with this. Yes, I did. Will I make it? Oh, I think I'm going to do it. Oh, look, I did.
It's still deep, but I know where everything is. So.
Okay. Now I got to put this on top. All right. So we're all filled up with salt, right? Then I put her on like that. And then I got to get the top to make sure you don't cross thread it. And bam, Bob Trump, you're in. Done. Ready to go. All right, we're going to do the pepper now. I don't know what those girls are doing next to me. They're just going crazy. Put that in there. And then I'm just going to pour this pepper right in there. Okay. Done. Pepper in there.
What do you want to put it in?
Ooh, it's making me cough. All right, so now we got pepper and salt ready to go.